Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Little angel reader. Yellow bear.
What? What?
Look. Oh, again.
What is he doing? I love Max. He's a funny guy. He's such a cute little boy.
Look.
Not little, big boy, I guess.
Look.
Whoa. Whoa, did you see that?
Look, baby bear.
I'm not a baby bear. I'm a yellow bear. You are a baby yourself. He called me baby bear. How old are you, by the way? Thank you, Max.
Here.
Again? Let's try again. Do you know any riddles? Whoa, look at that! I'm in a cage. It looks like I'm in a cage. Do you know any riddles, Max? I heard you're good at riddles. Oh, I'm stuck. Whoop, not anymore. Do you know any riddles? Any riddles?
No.
I know one. Listen, what am I? I'm an animal. I like to eat grass, and I give you milk. What am I?
It's a cow.
Oh, that was easy. You're smart. That's right. It's a cow. There's a cow. Can you make a riddle about one animal?
Yeah.
Okay, make one. Now I'll try to guess. Will you help me? Okay.
It has a thing like these things.
Has these things. Okay.
Thingies.
Okay. Is it an animal? What is it? Is it an animal, Max?
No.
It's not an animal. I'll never guess.
It flies.
It flies and it has these
it
things.
has a beak.
A beak? Oh, beak. Oh, I know.
And
I think I know.
And it has wings.
Oh, that's easy. It's a bird.
Yes.
Oh, what were these? Like,
No.
we showed these.
It was a crow.
A crow? Whoa, a crow is a black bird. A crow? Yeah. I see, that was a good one.
Baby bear, let's play.
I'm not a baby bear, I'm yellow bear. Do you have a crown on your head?
Yes.
Put it on your head. Oh. Whoa. Let it go. Save me, help me. I know another riddle. You can find me on the beach. What am I? I am pretty.
Huh?
You can find me on the beach. I am pretty. What am I?
Baby bear.
Not a baby bear. Not on the beach. Yes, I am. Kind of handsome. Cute. Okay, Max.
Sand.
You can find me on the beach. I'm pretty. Oh, yes, you can find sand on the beach. But how about the pretty part? Well, I guess you can say sand is pretty.
Ice cream man.
Ice cream man! Ice cream man can be handsome, not pretty. Girls can be pretty. Max, and I start with a sh sound. Oh, you'll never guess.
Seashell.
She-shell? That's funny.
Seashell.
Seashell.
Shell.
Yeah. Seashell. Shells. That's right. Wait. I'll give you one shell. Ta-da! 1 plus 1 equals what? 1 plus 1 more equals?
2.
2.
2, baby bear.
I'm not a baby bear, I'm a yellow bear. Look, Max has 2 shells. I know a tongue twister. Do you remember that tongue twister? She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells that she sells are seashells, I'm sure. Look at that. Max has something on his knee. There's a hole. Max, show me the hole. You are creative, Max.
Here.
Whoa. That's funny. Show me what you did. Max, you're so creative. What is it? You're using a candy wrapper. Oh my. Look at Max. He's very creative. He's covering his hole with a candy wrapper. Oh my, oh my. Looks like a butterfly.
I'm making a bow.
A bow? Yeah, looks like a butterfly. Now I don't see a hole. I see a butterfly on his knee.
You can make one too.
Okay, thank you. I like candies. Candy wrappers.
Oh, baby bear.
Not a baby bear, my yellow
I can give you a candy.
A candy? Oh, thanks for sharing. But you know what, Max? I have to go. Bye. See you later, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.